This obstacle, the tightrope walk, is definitely the hardest obstacle on the course, but it's not that difficult to build. I'll show you how I built it. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that I did for my backyard. I'm not a professional, I don't know what will work in your backyard, but this is what worked in mine and what I did to try and make it extra safe. To make the tightrope a little bit more stable, what I did, you can see right there, I actually drilled a hole through the end board and attached it around the tree. So essentially this obstacle is just like having two zip lines, just one above and one below, attached directly through the wood to give it a little bit of stability because it comes out of the platform. Here's the tightrope. You can see where it comes through the board there. It's attached here because it goes around the tree. So it goes out around the tree and then it attaches there. I'm using 4 bolts to attach it. Plus I actually sent it around this 2x6 and then sent it up the tree for an extra thing for people to grab a hold of. So that, if you can see there, that extra cable on the tree there, that's the tail end of this. But again, not really taking anything structurally from it. It's just wrapped around an extra time. So here is the tightrope from the bottom end. You can see up top I used the same tree savers as the zip line for the safety cable. And on the bottom, I drilled a hole through that 4x4, wrapped it around a tree, and fastened it using 4 cable bolts, the same way that I did on all of the lines that I attached. 4 cable bolts with it kind of wrapped around, and you can see it there wrapping around the tree. The biggest challenge for creating this obstacle was definitely the height difference there. And when you put weight on the lower rope, it does sag down. So for the younger children, they tend to hold on to their safety lines and use that because they can't quite, when the rope sags down in the middle, they can't quite reach the safety line above. So some of our kids, the younger ones, the shorter ones, don't like this obstacle very much, and they kind of grind the safety lines as they go. The tightrope obstacle, I see it goes from that platform down to this platform here. I had to pick this angle. I know you can barely see it through the trees there, but that platform to that one. You'll notice that it does go upwards. And the reason I did that, I had to adjust this zip line way up higher than I thought I would need to. And so to do that and make it so that it was a course that went, you could constantly go around the entire course, this one here actually had to compensate a little bit by going upwards. And that's how I built the tightrope.